Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing your LED reverse light bulbs in 2019 and newer Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra trucks. Let's get into it.
Are you looking to match the factory lighting of your truck with your Boost Auto products? Now you can with our 921 T15 style LED bulbs. Significantly brighter than your factory halogen or incandescent bulbs, our ultra bright LED bulbs fit a multitude of factory locations and are a great upgrade for better visibility. Don't let your dim, outdated OEM lights ruin the overall look of your build. Upgrade to Boost Auto's 921 LED bulbs for a serious upgrade in clarity and performance today. Just a quick note before we get into the install. The following procedures for 2019 and newer Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 trucks and 2020 and newer 2500 and 3500 trucks that came with factory incandescent reverse lights. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for all the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
All right, so we're at the rear of the truck. First thing we need to do is lower the tailgate so we can access the taillight housings. Now that the tailgate is down, we have access to our two T15 screws that need to be removed in order for this housing to be pulled out. Now that those two screws are removed, we can go ahead and pull back on the housing until it detaches from the bed of the truck. Now that the housing is pulled out, we can access a reverse light bulb socket. If you have a GMC Sierra, the bulb will be at the bottom of your taillight housing. If you have a Chevy Silverado, the bulb will be in the center of your taillight housing. So for our reverse bulb socket, what we need to do is first turn it counterclockwise so we can detach it from the taillight housing. Just pull the bulb out like that. Now we're going to take our Boost Auto LED bulb and insert it into the bulb socket. Either way is fine. Once you've got that inserted, we can reinsert the socket into the housing, looking at the tabs, making sure they line up correctly. And so the socket seats all the way into the housing. Once the socket is fully seated and flush, turn the socket clockwise to lock it in place. Now we're ready to reinsert the housing into the bed of the truck. You're going to have two studs on the housing that you can see will be inserted. Make sure you line those up as you go to reinstall the taillight housing. Now we can reinstall our two T15 torque screws. Now repeat those same steps on the other reverse light bulb. That about wraps it up for the installation of our LED reverse light bulbs on 2019 and newer Chevy Silverados and GMC Sierra trucks. If you're a fan of that bulb, head on over to our website, boostauto.com, to check out all we have to offer for your build today, such as these tow mirror lights or this amber DRL mod. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.